In this movie, let's start talking about menus. Now, menus are a key element in your site. You want to make sure that they're good because menus are how people access all the content within your site. Menus are your navigational elements. They're going to move our users throughout the site, and if we don't have good navigation, people are just going to go on and find another site with the information they want. Now, the menus contain your links or hyperlinks. And remember, links are just a connection from one file on one computer to a file on another computer. That file can be on the same computer where you started originally clicking the link, or it can be in a completely external PC located anywhere in the world. There are two main things to understand when you're working with menus in Joomla. There's a menu manager and then there's a menu module. I'm on the administrative side here of my local Joomla site, and in the control panel you can see the menu manager. When we go in there, you can tell the names of all the different menus we have. So if we look over here, here's our main menu, here's our resources menu. Let's go back to the back end, main menu, resources menu. You'll notice you can copy these menus, you can delete them, edit them, make new ones. And of course, again, that great help button will take you to all the information about the menu manager. Now, the menu manager, we can make links to sections, categories, content items, external pages. Once we make these links though in the menu manager, it doesn't mean that they're viewable on the site yet. We have to put them in the menu module. The module is the item that actually references these links and puts them on our page so users can use them. Now the module is of course in our module manager, and you can see right here, here's a main menu, user menu. We just click new and make a module for our new menu. Let's start out with though and just use our menu manager and kind of work with those items in there. Okay, notice we can select a specific menu. We can click on the menu if we want to work with its title. Nothing more than that. The next thing over is its type, and then the specific menu items. If we want to edit those, we click that, whether they're published, unpublished, in the trash, and the module number. Let's click on that edit menu item so we can take a look at that. Notice all of these are different items. We can filter it out just like we can all those other items that we've looked at within the administrative side, maximum levels, and the state published or unpublished. Down here we have a star to show us that's the default. Next column over we have published. Remember, you can just click those to unpublish them and it will take them off and put the red circle. I can click it again and bring it back. The order, the access level, again, click those. It'll make it registered, special, and back to our public. And of course what type, and of course these unique numbers supplied by Joomla. Let's click on our home item to take a look at the specifics inside there. Our home item has a front page blog layout. That simply means it's got a leading article, and then we've got intro articles and different columns of how those articles are displayed. This front page blog layout, you'll see we've got our main article right here, that one leading article. And then here are the 4 articles in their 2 columns below there. That's the front page blog layout. That's a blog layout. Now we can change that type, and there's all kinds of types of pages we can do. When we go create some menu items here in a little bit, we'll actually create different types of different menu items. Right down here is all the information, nothing too new. Displaying it in a specific menu, you want to make sure that you select the correct one. Its parent item, published or not, what order it's in, nothing new here. This is how many leading items do you want. If you put your mouse on there, it'll give you a screen tip. And notice leading means full width. Intro, if you put it on there. Columns, and of course links. Parameters, advanced parameters, nothing too exciting in there. The pagination, that simply means to hide or show the current page number and the total number of pages. Like it's going to say page 1 of 2 at the bottom of the page. The show a feed link is whether or not you show RSS feed links. And again, through here you can kind of read through those. You know, do you want the author name, date and time? Most of those are pretty explanatory themselves. And then of course the system parameters. Do you want a page title? Usually it's a pretty good idea, especially for SEO, search engine optimization. It'll help if you've got those page titles that truly match the information on your page. So let's stop here, and in the next movie we'll keep working with these specific menus and make different menu types.